Debt-free company with strong order book and good clientele. Voltamp Transformers Ltd, an electrical transformers manufacturer. Company has more than 50 years of experience in manufacturing different types of transformers, switchgear, and compact substation. Company serves clients from diverse industry segments with a strong order book of Rs 1,475 crores as of fiscal year 2024. The company was incorporated in 1967 and got public in 2006. They are based in Vadodara with more than 385 employees and 650 workers. Company has two manufacturing plants located in Makarpura and Savli with a production capacity of 14,000 MV with 93% capacity utilization. Company is setting up a new manufacturing plant in Vadodara with 6,000 MV capacity, for which a capex of Rs 200 crores has been allocated, and the plant is expected to be operational by Q1 of 2027, after which the overall capacity of the company will increase to 20,000 MV. The market cap of the company is 10,114 crore rupees and currently trading at 9,997 rupees per share. The company has a 33% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 48% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 90 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company serves more than 1,000 clients, with revenue concentration of 97% from domestic and 3% from exports. Some clients of the company are Tata Projects, Larsen & Toubro, Technip, Petrofac, ABB, Siemens, GE, Thermax, Hitachi, and more. Top 10 clients contribute about 27% of the total revenue. Company has received order inflows worth Rs 640 crores for 5,040 MV in fiscal year 2025. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.